Hello and welcome to this overview of the Picture-in-Picture extension by Google. This is an extension for Google Chrome that's available through the Chrome Web Store. You can find it at this address here. I'll include a link in the description for this video. Now, once you've installed this, and typically there would be an install button here, I've already installed it, which is why this is the remove from Chrome button instead. Then navigate to your favorite site that plays video. Maybe it's YouTube. Maybe you, like me, are an Abbott and Costello fan and you would like to see their famous Who's on First routine. And I can obviously see that by hitting play here. But here's what happens. If I go to this puzzle piece, now that I've installed the Picture-in-Picture extension, click on that and then select Picture-in-Picture. It takes the video out of its original playing area and into this new playing area. And you can resize this. There we go. Resize that. If you hover over it, you can hit pause. You can hit play. And then, more importantly, I can scroll up and down on the page even while this video is playing. So the video is playing along and I can scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, see other things, read comments about the video while I watch it. So that's kind of nice. If you like reading the YouTube comments, I'm like, oh yeah, there we go. There's the comments, there's the video still playing. And now I feel inspired. I want to go over and watch some actual baseball. So here's the Oakland Athletics website. You can see some actual baseball. And again, I can scroll down, do whatever I want to do on this page. I can even do productive things. I could go over here to the National Weather Service website and I could type in something like, I don't know, San Francisco, California. And then up comes the weather report for San Francisco. So all of those things are possible with this extension. Now, of course, the biggest drawback, it may be a little distracting. So I leave that to your own discretion to know when and where it's appropriate to leave a video playing and when it's not productive for you. Hope you enjoyed this demonstration and I'll see you in my next video, or maybe you'll see me.